My first big boy purchase. We're gonna purchase a vintage base set 2, and as you can tell, I'm doing a little face reveal, but don't get excited. This is gonna be the only time I'm gonna show my face because this is a big day for the channel. We're waiting on OfferUp right now to hit me up, and right now I think she's hitting me up right now, and stay tuned, man. Base set 2 for the channel. All right, guys, we got the confirmation. All right, man, it's gonna be a big day. We're excited. Let's go, man. It's about a 15-minute drive, and I'm excited. My very first vintage booster pack. Let's go. 100 on the way, man. I've been saving up for the wedding, but we're gonna cancel the wedding.
Wow. 200, really?
Yes, ma'am. This is really a big day for me. Let's go. The address took me to a cemetery. Okay.
Really, babe? Are you that fucking desperate?
Yo, chill, bro. This is my first vintage, man. I gotta do this. This is for the channel, all right?
Yeah, you're your friend, right?
Are you sure?
You're my friend, right?
Are you sure?
You're my friend, right?
Our very first vintage pack about to be open on our channel, man. This is a big W, man. Big W. Looks good. Everything's all good.
Who the hell are you talking to?
What do you mean?
Right now?
Yo, what's up, y'all? Only Dawn fans with a freaking special edition video, man. We finally got our hands on the very first vintage base set 2 on this channel, man. I'm excited. Some weird shit happened when I got this. Some girl just gave it for free on OfferUp, man. She gave me a spooky vibe, but she told me to be friends or whatever, but I completely ignored her. And let's go, man. Who's ready, bro? What the fuck? Is that a... nothing, no. Alright, guys. So let's go, man. I don't know how to do this. 1, is it 2? 2, okay, 2. Oh, Ghastly? What the? Yeah, what? Huh? Ghastly? Bro, what the fuck is going on, man? Bro. What the fuck is going on? Y'all see that shit? Y'all think but Ghastly's? We at 10 glass. What the fuck? Bro, what? Huh? What? No.
You don't want to be my friend?
What are you doing here?
I thought we could be friends.
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck is that noise? Babe, what the fuck is that noise?
Friends forever.